Hello everyone, welcome to Scholarship House. In this video, we are going to apply for Saudi Arabia Scholarship. It's fully funded, paid and self-funded scholarship. Those who feel convenient applying scholarship by phone, please subscribe this channel and you will be guided how you can complete your application just by using your phone. So first of all, let's go to the details of this scholarship. I want you to carefully read all these details about this scholarship. The most important part is the documents, required documents. You have to have a specific size personal photo, passport, diploma, certificate and transcript, medical certificate, any other optional documents. Police clearance certificate is mandatory, two recommendation letters, curriculum vitae, and others. Please pay attention that the site of Ministry of Education of Saudi Arabia doesn't want you to upload any Arabic or English proficiency certificates, but some university wants you to upload a certain English language or Arabic language proficiency. So you have to be careful. So let's go and complete our registration. By clicking the link on the description, you're brought in here. You first of all click on sign in. In here, click on the create your account in the button. Click on it. Fill all these blanks: email address, date of birth. Complete it and click on create account. When you click on it, your confirmation email goes to your Gmail. Go to your Gmail and activate your account. And when you activate, you're brought to the here in sign in. And here you uh, sign in by using your Gmail and password. And in here you complete your profile first. In here written complete your profile. So you have to complete your profiles. And here I already register apply for this scholarship. The first one is about the personal data. I don't want to show you, so they go to the second one. In the first one, personal data, you have to upload your photo and your passport. The second part, your address data, you have to complete all these sections and then save and continue. In here, employment and study data. Are you employed? If you are work somewhere, choose yes, otherwise no. Reason for wishing to study in Saudi Arabia, you have to give your reason why you choose to study in Saudi Arabia. Write your reason here. Previous residence data. Have you obtained a previous residency number? No. Reference data, full name. You have to uh, you know give a reference person for emergency. Last one, annual income. So you have to, in here you choose the currency, whether real or dollar. I choose dollar, and then income 5,000 up to $10,000 annually, a year. So my income is not as much, so I choose no income, and then save and continue. Academic qualification is the most important part. And about qualification data, yes, you add qualification data: education level, high school. I graduate from high school. Country Afghanistan. School name, GPA 100, score 91. attach certificate. In here you merge your high school certificate with its transcript and upload both of them in here and add qualification. After you click on add qualification, your qualification will be saved. Okay, qualification will be saved like this. My qualification is saved. And language data, in here you click add language. So in here I upload two. The first one, English Advanced, Persian. I am native in Persian, so you can as much languages you know. Certificate and test, this all are optional. If you have certificate, I upload my high school certificate in here. If you applying for master degree, you can upload the bachelor degree qualification. So I come down the attachments. These attachments are required. You have to upload all of them. First one is security clearance. It's mandatory. You have to upload police clearance certificate, medical certificate, recommendation letter, two recommendation letter, merge both of them in one PDF, CV, test results. If you have, I had the TOEFL, I uploaded. Other attachment, any other, uh, documents that you have, you can attach here and then save and continue. So by saving and continue, in here it says congratulations, my profile is done. Now I apply for programs. So when you're applying for a program, click on it and come here. It's the government universities. Come down, the private universities. So I prefer government universities. I click on show more. It's all the government universities. So in here, from here, I choose my programs. So first one, for example, I choose this university. Okay, and come down, I explore programs. See, these are all programs of Islamic University of Medina. It's full scholarship, the first one, full scholarship, full scholarship. This all are full scholarship. For example, I choose in mathematics, bachelor science in mathematics. I choose it, and then in here, the conditions. It's the condition that university has. In here, see, English language requirement. The University of Medina wants you to upload English proficiency certificates. Where you have to upload it if you want to study in English. Okay, is the condition of the university. So after you meet the requirements, so if you want to record the attachments, see high school diploma documents, proof of English language proficiency is the requirements for the university. So you have to upload the required document in here and come down, and here you see including benefits, tuition waiver, monthly stipend. This all are all included as the benefits of the scholarship. Okay, if you want to choose the mathematics, you just confirm and add to preference. So if you want, just click on add to preference, and this program will be added on your preference. Okay, so Then I come back. You can choose as many programs as you want. Try to choose the programs that are related. For example, if I choose mathematics in University of Al Madina University, so when I go back to the other university, for example, Taiwan University, I also choose mathematics. I explore program. I I find the mathematics. This partial scholarship. It's partial scholarship. This are all okay. Partial scholarship. Okay. So if I don't find mathematics, I choose another university. For example, this university. And I explore the program. Okay, it's not. Explore the program. So you look for mathematics until you find in different university. Okay, and consider the required attachment of each university. All the details are written, include benefits, tuition fee, and blah blah. And by attaching, by clicking, by ticking mark this part and add to your preference. So it will be attached to your preference. So I go to my preference. So I show you how many programs I have added. I have added 5 programs. I choose fully funded scholarship. I choose computer science. I choose computer science. Yes, Taif University. I choose Taif University, Prince Satam University, also computer science, full scholarship, and University of Medina, also computer science, full scholarship. I've added 5 out of 25. 5 program. You can choose up to 25 program. Okay. So, but when you choose your program and add your preferences, come here and click on start reordering. After you start, after you order your, you know, the programs and university based on your preferences. For example, I bring this one here, this one here, okay, and save your order and submit. Your preference will be sent to the educational institution. You can modify your preference at any until the deadline. The deadline is at May 21. You have some more days left. You can submit. When you submit, your application will be submitted, and you have time up to May 20 to change your program or change your profile. So now your application is submitted and done. So I'm gonna sign out. When you are in the site, come down, come down and read some questions. In here you can see frequently asked questions. In here you can read all the you know concerns and frequently asked questions. I made an error in my application data. How can I edit? If you have any question, you can get your answer from here. In here you read more. All the concerns and questions are answered here. I forgot my password. Any questions you have, you can find here. Read all of them carefully. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and you will not miss the next video. If you have any questions, please comment below so that I can answer. Thank you very much.